To my beauty room. I am so excited to finally be sharing my little space with you. I love it so much. It's everything I could dream for. And I just want to give you a little tour of how my room is set up and how it was basically all done DIY and honestly very, very affordably. I was just like, honestly, I want to be able to store my makeup in a really nice way, and I don't want them in Alex drawers. Like, that was my one thing. I'm like, every single beauty room has Alex drawers. Like, isn't there any other way to store your makeup? So I hope this inspires you to know that you can totally create a beauty room. Like, you don't need the Alex drawers. You can do something creative, different, and it does not have to be a huge budget. Like, I'm telling you, everything in here was DIY, but of course I could not have done it without the help of Shabs to Chic. She is my boyfriend's mom, and she is just amazing at putting rooms together and painting furniture and making it look really, really beautiful. And her just capabilities of knowing how to create all this DIY stuff was just amazing. So on her page is a video about kind of how to do it, and it's pretty simple. For example, such as this desk is DIY, and my couch was just an old couch that was painted. So this is my main part of my room where I spend the most time. It is my desk. It's where I sit to shoot and film. So what this actually is, boards basically from Lowe's, and you can get them cut however you need. And then this is marble contact paper that is just basically stuck on top like a huge sheet of sticker. More like on how to do that is in the actual video on Shabs to Chic, link below. Here is the backdrop. So I always have this white sheet is just pinned on there, and then I have one color backdrop so far, and some are kind of sheets and other sheets and whatnot, but one paper backdrop. I'm going to be getting more soon, and I just pin them right here. If you guys want to see anything particular, like just the studio setup, I can do a separate video on that. A lot of this stuff is from Amazon, such as the lights, such as the contact paper. Anything that it can be linked below will be down below if you guys want to see links for that type of stuff. But it just looks so beautiful. It's amazing for taking pictures on because it's just right here. Your lighting's already good to go. And it just looks so pretty. It looks so chic, and like, who would have thought that it's literally just like a piece of paper on some wood. And it's so easy and so affordable. This is my chair. I'll show you. This was also DIY. It was like an old brown regular ugly dining room table chair. Okay, and then I have this little space where I basically have a box of all the makeup that I still, or products that I still want to try out before I kind of put them away, because when they're in there I know that I need to try them, or I just want to get a better feel for them. And then once I actually officially put my makeup in the makeup cabinet, I know it's like I've tried it out, I have a sense of how I feel about it, and then it's gone. But when it's here, I kind of know, like, okay, let me go in here today and see what stuff I need to try out still. So I love having that. And then here's just my little mirror, this little box to keep store kind of random stuff in that I might need. This little thing is from Amazon too, and there's just like cotton pads and cotton Q-tips in there. My little diffuser, oil diffuser, and it's currently on as changing colors, but any color that it turns to, you can set it just as that. It's also from Amazon. I love Amazon. A candle and candle holder from Bath & Body Works. I got this little stand from Home Goods, another favorite store of mine, with perfumes on top. There's, I don't know if you guys can see, but a little picture of my baby niece when she was a baby, but now she's 2. On here I keep just some necklaces. It's a picture of Marilyn Monroe, and then this is a vintage tray, a vintage silver tray. And on top I just have my makeup brushes and Bath & Body Works candle holders that I just dug out and cleaned. And this one I spray painted silver where I keep my brushes in, and then this cute little vintage thing. So okay, and then this is like a notepad, but it kind of goes, so I put it here. A picture frame, and then this is a product from Pixie, but it kind of goes with, you guys can even probably see. It goes with the rose gold feel. This is a bag that a MAC limited edition snowball lipsticks came in. But the bag is so beautiful. I kept it up here with little decorations from Michael's, which technically I kind of had this decorated for Christmas, and Christmas is now over, but I think it still kind of looks good. So, and then these candles were like Christmas too, but they're also from Michael's, and they still kind of look good in my opinion, so they're still there. And that is basically my desk area. So I want to show you guys on my desk, it has this silk fabric, because if you do filming, you know there's a lot of wires going on with just all the equipment stuff, and it's really not that cute to just kind of have laying around. So I love how she thought of using this to hide all the wires, and it just looks really nice. I don't know if you guys can see, but under there is a whole lot of wires hidden away. And it just makes the desk look nice and hides it away at the same time. So again, it's another recommendation that's really easy, cheap DIY that you can use to hide those wires. And then I can just hide other stuff under my desk too. Like I hide my little garbage can when I don't want to just like out, and other lights and stuff like that. So it's really convenient. Okay, so here is my little coffee bar, and basically on this wall is a full-length mirror, and then next to it, I'll show you in a moment, is kind of just like a glass case with a mirrored background where I kind of just have jewelry and decorative stuff. But this mirror, and you can get a little sneak peek at the makeup cabinet back there, but this mirror is just kind of like an old vintage mirror from a antique shop, and that's just literally exactly how it came. I love it. I knew I needed a coffee bar in my beauty room. Like, it's just a must for me. Good or bad, I need my coffee. And I always saw like cute pictures on Pinterest and stuff of like really cute coffee bars. I'm like, I need one. So this piece was free and given, but again it has the marble top on top, the same contact paper, and then to kind of hide the edges of it, nice little trick. It's just kind of this rhinestone material. This is from Home Goods, and I kind of just have a glass on there. Same with these cute little silver spoons where I keep in this. It's from the dollar store. This too, where I have like my Splendas and sugar, creamers, tea, and other stuff on there. And then as you can see, there's the mirror where you can kind of see the sitting area and the glass cabinets. Here's kind of a couple curtains, because back behind, sneaky is actually my boyfriend's little gaming area. So you can make 2 rooms completely different out of one space with a little creativity. Again, I would not have been able to figure out to set up the room like that if it weren't for my boyfriend's mom. Okay, so here is my cabinet with my little, basically just jewelry display. I have a couple trays here with some jewelry. This little jewelry stand I got from my sister. This is just an old little basket that says my name on it. This vase I just got from Home Goods. This watch is by George. Next is my cute little sitting area. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's right across from the desk, so you can see the studio lights, the desk, and then here's the sitting area. My makeup cabinet. Down here is a little marble top table. Same fabric from the chair is what serves as a carpet down below. Again, it's just fabric. Here is my beautiful DIY chandelier. That floral wreath I've had for a while. I think it was from like QVC or something. Got it from my mom. These paintings are from an artist I found on Instagram. I love her paintings. I will link her below. Now my couch, all the pillows are from Home Goods except the purple one. I painted the pillow purple, was already at the house. And same with my couch. She actually painted it pink with a special paint she uses, and we put rhinestones in the couch. If you can see that. It still feels soft. It doesn't feel like a painted couch at all. Okay, and finally is my favorite piece, my makeup cabinet. I love it. Open it up. Voila, all the makeup. I have most of it in acrylic bins that I got from Amazon, of course. Everything I got from Amazon I'll link below. It's really nice. I can see everything. Who would have thought? Like, this was just an old wooden cabinet and just painted in my favorite color. But I think that is basically it. I really hope you guys enjoyed my beauty room tour. Hope it gave you ideas. Hope it gave you inspiration. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!